In this video guide, I will help you to get rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website Entndblow.xyz. Entndblow.xyz. So this is a malicious resource that currently attacks many Windows browsers. Mainly it targets Google Chrome, however, Mozilla Firefox may also be infected. The purpose of these pop-ups is not to help you, but rather to infect your browser even more considerably. As you can clearly see, the website has got two buttons integrated into it. They are block and allow. The pop-up tries to encourage you into clicking on the allow button, supposedly to continue your browsing. The reality is that when people agree with the proposal and click on this allow button, they first get redirected to some other questionable content, plus they will start facing certain advertisement banners that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So if you see these pop-ups and if you have mistakenly clicked on this allow button, you need to immediately implement certain measures to fix your browser. Let's fix Google Chrome manually. So go to the menu of Google Chrome. The menu looks as this circle with three vertical dots. Click on Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Find the special area called Permissions and choose Notifications. Check the list of the sites allowed to send notifications and delete any malicious sites that you find here on the list. Basically, the principle for fixing other browsers is the same. I also recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and start checking your system with its help. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.